Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, November 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks and we are going to add a couple of levels, couple of things here to do from the toolbox of the technical analysis. So as we can see here, it's pretty obvious that since the end of the 2022 and beginning of 2023, the Bitcoin has been moving up in very certain ways. So it's been establishing a new uptrend, at least trying to establish a new uptrend, and we got this movement to the upside. Then we have a correction, which is the higher low. Then we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then of course higher high. It's time to enter the higher low. If we take a look at the indicators, and we are going to use in that situation moving average cross, but we need to play with it a little bit because it's a daily time frame chart. So let's just change it to 100 and 200 days moving average. We can clearly see bullish cross, or golden cross as they call it. 100 periods moving average crossing from the downside to the upside there. 200 periods moving average. So that's another indication that the uptrend is in progress. The first one was the lower higher highs, higher lows indication. Second was the golden cross on 200 and 100 moving averages. Then of course we can take a look at the trend lines. If we take the trend line here, we will use the ray, for example. From the lows of 2022, we can see that we are pretty far away from that trend line. If we apparently, let's say, apply this trend line to the newest data and to the recent low here, and let's double this line, maybe we should create some kind of a channel. We can clearly see that the recent movement to the upside is perfectly inside of this channel. So we can see that we are trading inside of the very specific ascending channel, which is another very important thing. So let's just make it a little bit clear here on this chart. What are we trying to mark? There you go. We got the uptrending channel. So those are at least three things that are telling us the uptrend is in progress. The other thing is, of course, the Elliott wave. The Elliott wave impulsive wave progression from the lows of 2022 is showing us that the wave 1 has been completed around the level of 31,000. Then we got the some sort of the correction towards the level of 25,000, and since then we are developing the wave 3 that has not been completed just yet. So for the purpose of our analysis, let me just move our wave 5 and our wave 4 a little bit higher here so they will not bother us. So right now, or maybe I will just move the wave 4 a little bit lower. So right now we are just waiting for the wave 3 to be completed and wave 4 to develop. This kind of a situation, this kind of an analysis is invalidated only if the high of the wave 1, which is located at 30,929 pips, is clearly violated. So this is the big black line, and of course there is some kind of a technical support just above this level. So the level of 31,562 is the technical support, and it's very important technical support for the bulls. So the projections, eventual projections for the termination of the wave 3. Let's take a look on the simple projection here. Let me just find the trend-based Fibonacci expansion. So from the lows of the wave 1, if we project the length of the wave 1 from the bottom of the wave 2, we can clearly see that 161% of the wave 1. Let me just do it right now. That's the most common target for the wave to the wave 3. So let's do it maybe on the right. Okay, so 161% is located at 49,803. So this is the first projected level, first target level for the wave wave 3 based on the situation right now on the market, so we can easily move our waves way higher. So this is how it looks like. Let me just move this wave 4 a little bit here maybe. Okay, so you can see 49,803. It's a first projection for the top of the wave 3. We still need a breakout out from this wave, out from this channel, in order to continue the impulsive wave progression to the upside. We need to break above. Let me just place the horizontal technical resistance line at 37,900. So this is the technical resistance swing high, but this is not very strong technical resistance, because it won't take much effort to take it down for the boost, but it's still there. So if we break above this level and carry on higher, the chances for developing the wave basically wave 3 are very big. So this is the outlook for the Bitcoin to the Tether for the coming weeks. Okay, and remember, as long as the high of the wave 1, the big black line, is not violated. Let me just put this this arrow as a black one as well, so we know what we're talking about. There you go. As long as this level is not clearly violated, the outlook remains bullish, and the targets, the projected targets, are on the screen right now. Let me just make it even much more visible for everyone who is having a doubt what is going on here on the Bitcoin. So this is the key level here for the Elliott wave impulsive scenario for the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.